video on this Sinai School channel where we make learning fun. Last year we introduced robotics into our school activities for the year, and it was a fun and enriching experience for our students. This year in the month of July we had robotics, and take a look at what happened during this month. Here you find our 4th graders and 5th graders dancing to a robot song. Teaching children to robotics early on in their educational journey can have a lot of positive benefits. Children begin to learn how they can blend science, technology, engineering and math concepts in order to create a unique machine. Take a look at these preschoolers dancing to "I've Got a Robot at Home." As you can see, they're having a lot of fun in the process. Aren't they just cute? Again are our preschoolers who come to show you that robots indeed have fingers, head, shoulders, a mouth and a nose. Aren't they just adorable? This is our UKG class. They learned some action songs about robots and had tons of fun pretending to be a robot. I'm sure that this is going to definitely be a dance break routine that they can use in between classes. Look at them go. Some signature robot moves. From grade 1 to 5, we had children build and DIY their own robots. We had little cars, dogs, and even spiders, of course with a lot of help from their teachers. take the time and effort to make it a point to dedicate a whole month to robotics at Mount Sinai School. Firstly, because it can be plain fun. Secondly, it gives everyone a chance to get up, get moving, and make things happen while they create. Our world, let's face it, is constantly changing, and if we want our students to be global citizens, then they need to know what is happening in the world, keep learning, and keep innovating. Introducing robotics into their curriculum helps children gain confidence in this area. Plus, it may just give them an early head start into their career in the world of technology if they have that exposure early on. We also find robotics and involving children in this process helps demystify the complexity of technological advancements, because now they too feel that they can do it too. They're building positive mindsets and an I can attitude even at this younger age. And lastly, you can realize that it builds teamwork, as you can see by all the happy smiles. Working together, we get the job done. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to head over to our Facebook page to check out more pictures. Until next time, see you later, and thanks for watching Mount Sinai channel, where learning is made fun.